This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Josie Riccolo. Huge opportunity in prestigious lakes of Emerald Hills. The complete dream home, all 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, all on 1 floor, vaulted ceilings with spacious open floor plan, gorgeous open kitchen with double oven, truly a cook's delight. Every bedroom has its own full bathroom and walk-in closet, spacious master bedroom with huge walk-in dressing area and bathroom with double sinks, huge family room and living room and a dining room with an alcove area, great for entertainment. Has new roof and large covered patio area where you can enjoy the new pool, true 2-car garage, laundry room. Community features 2 lakes, playground area, basketball courts, dog park, and 24 hours police security, walking distance to Thai Park and to several houses of worship. For more information, review the details below or contact Josie.